Hi there, here is the Redmi Smart Band that was just released today. I ordered my unit from China almost 2 months ago and I received it a month later, but I reserved this review till the device officially released in India because there was actually no point telling you about it if you couldn't get it. But finally you can buy it in India now. The best part is it's priced at just 1599 rupees. Wow. So let me tell you all about it so that you can decide whether you should buy this or not. Before we begin, let me tell you about my unit. Now this was launched in China in July 2020 with the name of Mi Band 4C. It's the exact same device with NFC feature which the Redmi Smart Band lacks. It doesn't matter because the China unit comes with Alipay, which is kind of useless to us. Coming to the device, its build is plastic. Super light, weighs just 13 grams. You literally don't feel a thing. No buttons on the side, giving it an extremely clean look. The straps are made of soft silicone and are really light. On the back is the heart rate sensor with the Redmi branding. The bestest, I know bestest is not even a word, but I'm sure you can understand my emotion. The best part is the USB charging port on the Redmi Smart Band. You just pull out the strap from the side and access the port. It's one of the reasons I love this so much. It's not the first one to do it, but these small things make it so much more convenient. You never need to carry a charging wire with you with your Smart Band ever again. I so want to see other fitness trackers also achieve this design. It's amazing. Just plug it into any power bank or charging brick and it starts charging. Brilliant. I'm not a fan of proprietary chargers, be it any smartwatch or smart bands. Even when I wear my Apple Watch, I hate carrying that charger with me. Also, I would love to see a USB-C port on smartwatches. It might not be an easy task, but I think that too will be a great solution. Sorry for digressing, but I really appreciate the design, so I couldn't resist talking about it. USB charging port on the Redmi Smart Band, simply brilliant. Coming to the display, another huge plus of the Redmi Smart Band is its display. It's a 1.08-inch TFT LCD touch color display with a resolution of 120 by 220 pixels. It's super clean and sharp. You can see the time, battery percentage, day, date, and the steps. There are many watch faces to choose from the companion app. The color reproduction is also quite good. Not as vibrant as we see on the Mi Band 4, but pretty good. But not dull or faded also. It's a flat display which makes it look a lot more bigger. It also gets much more easy to swipe because of that. There is a touch button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. When you cover the screen with your palm, it turns off the display. Pretty handy. Let's have a glance at the interface. Press the button to wake the display. If you swipe left, you'll get the music player. You can control the songs that are playing on your phone. You can reduce the volume. You can increase the volume. You can play. You can pause the song, previous track, next track directly from here. If you swipe up, you'll come to the status. You press status, shows you the steps, distance, calories burned, and the number of times you stood up. Go further down, you have heart rate sensor. You have exercise. In exercise, you have outdoor running, indoor running, which is treadmill, cycling, walking, and idle time. Further down, you have weather. Further down, you have notifications. These are the notifications that you're getting. Further down, you have more. Then you have DND, which is do not disturb. Alarm clock. You can set the alarm from the app. Further down, you have theme. You have these couple of watch faces here, which you can set. Further here, you have the same music player. You have the stopwatch, countdown, Find My Phone, Alipay, which you won't find in the Indian unit, and settings. In settings, you can adjust the brightness, you can lower it, or you can increase it. Then you have restart, reset, supervision, about, privacy. You know, it's the simplest and the most easy to use Smart Band interface. I mean, probably this is all what you need. Workout options are limited, walking, running, treadmill, and cycling. But if those are all that you need, then having more won't really matter. I tested it twice for my walks and it was quite accurate. It showed distance, time, pace with the heart rate. It connects to GPS via your phone to map your run. You can also enable call alerts and notification alerts. You can choose from which app you want notifications and from which app you don't. It's very easy to choose in the companion app. You also get call alerts with vibration. Caller's name will show. You have an option to either reject the call or silent the ringer. Works pretty well. Overall, the user interface is really smooth and responsive. The device comes with 5 ATM water resistancy, so rain, sweat and splashes are taken care of. So coming to the companion app, the Redmi Smart Band will work with the Mi Fit app, but this unit that I have works with Xiaomi Wear app. Not much is different though. You can see your workout, activities, steps, calories and sleep tracking. You can set alarms, set notifications, heart rate settings, idle alerts, raise to wake, which works but isn't very quick, but it's not very slow either. The best part is huge collection of watch faces, simply amazing. So colorful, definitely worth a check. But when you use custom watch faces, the battery life takes a major dip. So decide colorful watch faces or battery life. Overall, the app is functional. I would prefer that the Mi Fit app would work anyway, but you will get to use the Mi Fit app with the Indian unit of the Redmi Smart Band. Coming to the battery. Well, Xiaomi claims 14 days, but frankly, I haven't tested it continuously for those many days to confirm that. But even if you get 8-9 days, it's excellent. It comes with 130 mAh battery, which takes about 1 hour to charge. Now, there is nothing to really dislike about the Redmi Smart Band, but if I had to nitpick, activity tracking is very limited. An AMOLED display would have made it even better, but for 1599 rupees, it's really hard to expect so much. I got this for 1500 rupees from China, so considering that, it's priced really very well in India. If you want AMOLED display and you want some more activity tracking, then you should pick the Mi Band 4. But frankly, I think this should suffice for most of us. It's perfect. You got good activity tracking, notifications, time at your wrist without having to worry to charge it every day. Amazing. The Redmi Smart Band will be selling from 9th of September on Amazon and Mi.com. You can also choose different strap colors. Amazing. I'll leave the links of all in the description. If you're looking to buy a smart band under 2000 rupees, this is the one to go for. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions regarding the Redmi Smart Band, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.